Look and say. Letter A. A-T at. Cat, hat, mat, rat. A-N an. Can, fan, man, van. A-D ad. Dad, lad, sad, pad. A-P app. Cap, gap, map, tap. A-G ag. Bag, lag, rag, tag. Learning to read. A rat and a cat. A cap on a bag. A man in a van. A hat with a tag. Look and say. Letter E. E-G. Egg, leg, peg, keg. N-E-N. Den, pen, ten, hen. E-D ed. Bed, fed, red, lead. E-T et. Let, pet, wet, net. Learning to read.
A hen and an egg. A red pen. A net in a well.
Look and say. Letter I. I-N in. Bin, pin, win, tin. I-P ip. Sip, lip, nip, zip. I-T kit, pit, hit, sit. I-G ig. Pig, fig, dig, wig. I-D id. Hid, kid, lid, did. Learning to read. A tin bin. A pig with a wig. A kid and a lid. Look and say. Letter O. O-T ot. Cot, dot, pot, lot. O-G og. Dog, jog, log, fog. O-P hop, mop, top, pop. O-B ob. Cob, sob, rob, mob. O-D odd. God, cod, rod, pod. Learning to read. A dog under the cot. A cat on a hat. A mop and a top. Look and say. Letter U. U-B, ub. Cub, rub. Tub, hub. U-G, ug. Bug, jug. Mug, hug. UN, un. Bun, gun. Nun, sun. UT, ut. Hut, nut. Cut, but. UD, ud. Bud, cud. Mud, dud. Learning to read. A cub in a tub. A nun in the sun. A mug with a bug.